Oh shoot. I didn't have the special marine warning. I haven't got one of those in a while.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point in Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 8:30 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Middle River, moving east at 20 knots.
Wait. Oh,
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, motors and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their
now I learned my lesson.
Locations impacted include Northeast River, Turkey Point, Pools Island, Spissooty Island, Gunpowder River, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Central.
What? How in the world?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for County, Ohio, until 9:15 p.m. At 7:14 p.m.,
Wait.
radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
How in the world?
Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
ER10 activation.
Radar.
Nothing else is on.
Impact, flooding of small creeks,
Oh, you.
urban areas,
Hold on. Yo!
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for southeastern Union County, Ohio, until 9:15 p.m. At 7:14 p.m.
Oh, it's not gonna be on
Indicated
TV.
thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned areas. Flood deaths occur in vehicles 3 inches of rain to report flash flooding.
Wow.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets. You are listening to NOAA Weather. All hazards radio areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Dublin, Marysville, Plain City, New California, Unionville Center, U.S. Route 33 at U.S. Route 42 and Chuckry. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
What is that?
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
I'm in shock.
Friday night, mostly clear.
Is that flood warning or flash flood
In
warning?
the evening. Lows in the lower 60s.
Would that be my
Southwest
first flash
winds 5 to
flood
10
warning
miles an hour.
on KIG?
Chance of rain 20%.
Yo.
Sunny.
How in the world?
Including large hail and damaging winds.
Gotta go to...
Area. While severe weather. Sunny. Warmer with highs around 90. West winds 5 miles.
Alright, that doesn't work, but southern is the way to go. There it is. Oh, doesn't that have a... No.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, east central Salem County in southern New Jersey, south central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Camden County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Cape May County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dorothy, or 12 miles east of Island, moving northeast at 70 miles per
Oh, there it is.
Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Violent, Atlantic City, Millville, Ocean City, Cumberland, Pleasantville, Hamilton, Summers Point, Ventnor City, Brigantine, Northfield, Absecon, Berlin, Margate City, Weena, Egg Harbor City, Laurel Lake, Tuckerton, Weymouth, and Estill Manor. People in the Atlantic County mega site should seek safe shelter immediately.
Oh my.
This includes the following highways.
Here we go. A double header. A double header. Yeah, it's not the same one, but whatever. Flash flood warning. Let's just go ahead and make this here now.
Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Jesus, is that bad?
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Quarter-size hail.
Do not
Oh,
drive your vehicle
70
through
miles per
flooded
hour.
roadways. Repeating,
I didn't even
a
hear
severe
that.
thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties
Yeah.
in New Jersey, Atlanta.
Nice. See if I can do that.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, southern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 11 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include
Oh my God, look at that
Philadelphia,
interstate
Camden,
list.
Wilmington, Newark, Westchester, Chester, Pennsville,
Wilmington.
Westtown, Carneys Point, Conshohocken, and Palmyra. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 335 and 338. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 27. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile marker 0 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 330 and 351. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 15. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 4. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19.
That hurts so much.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
What? They just cut off the alert.
The severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Atlantic, Cumberland, east central Salem, and northwestern Cape May counties will expire
What
at
did they
7:15 p.m.
do?